Hey everyone, welcome back to Harshi Learn. In the last session, we learned about CLR, how our code actually runs behind the scenes. Now, today, we are moving one step forward and understanding something very useful for developers. What is FCL and BCL in .NET? Trust me, it's going to make your life much easier as developer. So first, let's understand what is FCL. FCL stands for Framework Class Library. In simple words, it's a collection of ready-made code provided by .NET. So instead of writing everything from scratch, we can directly use these classes and saves a lot of time. For example, common things like working with strings, files, or collection. So .NET already gives us a built-in support for all of that. Okay. So if I say it in simple line, FCL is basically a ready-made code in .NET that makes development faster and easier. Now let's talk about BCL. BCL stands for Base Class Library. Think of BCL as a core part of FCL. It provides the most basic and essential functionalities that almost every application needs. So, in simple terms, BCL is a part of FCL. It's like the foundation. Or you can think it of like this: BCL is inside FCL. Okay, so whenever you use FCL, you're actually using BCL as well. So, now let's see what we can actually do using FCL. We can work with strings like modifying, comparing, or formatting text, and we can do file handling like reading and writing files, and also we can perform database operations to store and retrieve data. Okay, and we also have collections like list and dictionary, so which help us to manage data easily. So basically, FCL gives us a solution for most common problems that we face while coding. Now, you might be thinking why FCL is so important. Imagine writing everything from scratch. That would take a lot of time, right? So that's where FCL helps us. So it saves development time and makes coding much easier and allows to reuse code. And since it is provided by .NET, it's already tested and reliable. So we can focus more on solving problems instead of writing basic code again and again. Now, let's make it super simple. Think of FCL like a toolbox. Okay, so inside the toolbox, we have all the tools that you need to build something. Okay, and BCL, that's like a basic tool inside the toolbox. Okay, so in one simple line, FCL gives us a ready to use functionality in .NET, so we don't have to start from zero. That's it for today, and I hope this made FCL and BCL easy to understand. If you found this helpful, please support the channel by liking and sharing this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Hershey Learn so you don't miss the next session. We'll continue learning step by step, so stay consistent and keep going. Until then, happy coding and have a great day.